Yeah man, see it here you know, man. PCOS. Me go break it down. Young girl in high school, big woman, grandma, wanna come over here so. Me go teach you about nobody. Alright, my name is Knowledgeable True Virgin, aka Mr. Run Things. Make we run things now. So watch me now. He called PCOS. See what I mean? Yeah? Polycystic ovary, or some say ovarian syndrome. Where it come from? I go teach you the pros and the cons. So let me break down the word. Poly mean many. So if I want 6 cis you have, you would name polycis. So poly mean many. Cis is fluid, fill, sac. Immature follicle, same thing. Immature follicle that can form on the outer edge of the ovary. Now, see fallopian tube here, see your ovary in a blue, and see the system here in a red. See the system here. By right, make sure that the color there is here. See the system there. I system that. Right? Them there I cis. So may we define the word now. Polycis, many cis when they upon the ovary. Alright. You know get that? So me want to understand when they define cis, they say fluid fill sac or immature follicle. You see like the whole them where your ear in they name your ear follicle. And you know when you disturb one it cause one bump, though? That's the reaction of the body that something foreign get the chance to go into the follicle. Now watch me. I want to understand that all it is telling you right here is that something grow in a follicle and it named cis. This is why it no make sense you cut it out. Because the body reject one fluid and push the fluid in a follicle and the wall there is a guard around it which prevent it from releasing our body. So because of that, and that's why you know what only this antigen, a cell or other substance which is recognized as foreign by the body white blood cell. So the white blood cell realizes something foreign in your body sitting when of it in there. Yes, the hormone from the chicken meat nothing in your body. We soon come to that though. So why do we form one layer around it, one layer, and see the layer here? The outer layer. For hold the fluid inside. See there? You hold the fluid inside because you don't want to release in your body. So the white blood cell is literally a protector, it's an immunity, right? Or you the part of immune system. And remember that the real immune system is the lymphatic system, and all it does is to be a transporter for fluid around the body. So that's why the fluid here in the sac, when the doctor come and cut it, hold on. When the doctor come and cut this, so see me remove here. If you eat, if you do the same causes them, it go grow back. You want to know what the cause is? Meat. And what inside the meat? Hormone, estrogen, mimic the hormone in a meat, mimic your estrogen and create a false narrative in your body. Sanitary napkin, the pads them, then don't sorry for you. Who making or like you? Polyester panties and clothes. Polyester, polycystic ovarian syndrome. Them a gay clue that the clothes where them build, the material for the panty is not good. Some of them carry some fur. What the next one? Makeups. By the way, call it make down because it's dumbing you down. And most of we know that high volume makeup is inferiority complex. It's attached to your trauma, emotional trauma, meaning you don't love yourself. I just the truth. Next, and disconnect the dots. Unhealed emotions cause cysts and fibroids. Yes, man. And stress or depression. Stress caused from the same unhealed emotions will lead to inferiority complex, stress you out, and then stress go lead to deep rest on. Deep rest, you not get to stay on. Not sleeping, always running to go to a 9 to 5, have a people, curse people every day. You're trying, cursing people here, but it's all linked to your childhood trauma. Whether they will rape you, whether you've been through abuse, verbally, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, whatever. Eating garbage, what we call garbage, milk, cheese, and butter from animals, sugar from sugar cane, meat, right, rice, and all pastries. Change your salt from white salt to Celtic salt. Your body go start change within the first 6 to 8 months to a year. Now, solutions. Stop eat. Stop me say solution. Stop eating and eat fruits, vegetable, and smoothies fast. So you go on one fast where just this you they eat. Fruits, vegetable, and smoothies. And you can add grains to it too. Flax seed, pumpkin seed, Brazilian nut, yeah. Purchase our womb wellness package. What package name? Womb wellness package. It come with a consultation, yeah, by yours truly, the camera woman, and a herbal remedies that is geared towards shrinking your fibroids and cysts. Next, if nature don't make it, don't wear it or eat it. Yeah, man. On the website where you can buy the womb wellness package, where website name KTV Herbal Remedies. Yes, and if you want sensible video like this here, go on the YouTube channel with name Fun Food Factory. That's the one I am on. I do many videos, so me going through, you understand, so as me say, conclusion, poly, cyst, walipa, some depend your ovary because they're attacking the reproductive system because they lie to you, especially here in Jamaica. Yeah, they don't want you to have babies, so it's a plot on depopulating the land. So the food put you there, the makeups and everything that is cheap, the most expensive things are for free. They're found in nature. You understand? Yeah, man, the stone that the builder refused go busted. Yeah, man, one love. PCOS Decoded. Yeah, man, truthful. Truth. Yeah, man, new book, Earth, Amazon, on the website here in Jamaica. New mindset. Get the book, Earth, book 1.